channel. I'm Tana Brene, Two Hands to Heaven. Yes, today we're going to be doing the 5 Angelus Tipex Instant Apex nails. In this kit, it comes with 500 sculpted acrylic tips. I'm new to this world. I am not a nail technician, more of a nail enthusiast. I just love to create. But let's hop into the unboxing. So here we have the instructions. I am not an instruction girl. I'm more of I wing it girl. And I like to watch videos to go along. Here we have the sizing. The sizing ranges from 0, from the biggest size, to 11, which is the smallest size. I can say the quality of this nail is amazing. That is all that I have to say. Okay, just thick and sturdy, literally feels like thick glass. Yes, it is sculpted acrylic and it's unbreakable. I even tried to bite it and it did not budge. I wish I would have got that on film. That would have been funny. So, of course, I'm on my journey learning Gelx, and I've been seeing this kit go viral all over YouTube, and I've been seeing the Gelx girlies all into it, and I'm like, I gotta hop in. So yeah, here's my take. Here is the nail glue that comes with this kit. It's a pretty big tube, and I also have the electric nail drill as well. I'm not sure if I should call this an e-file or not, but hey, it comes with 2 drill bits. I'm not the most educated person when it comes to drill bits because I am a beginner. As I've said before, I'm not a nail tech, just a nail enthusiast, so wish me good luck in this process. Now, one good thing that did come with this kit was the actual base. We do not get bases with nothing in our order. I never get a base. So that's just great to have there. Can never have too many bases. So let's go ahead and open her up. And we have the control system there. And it looks like this just comes with some basic sanders. So what I want to do is test out a nail, right? Now, I normally use the Kiara Sky Gelx nails. That's the only brand that I've started off using. So here we have the Kiara Sky Gelx nail in the coffin shape. This is one of my favorite brands. So I said, well, let me just fold it and see if it actually folds. And you better believe it, she creased up like no other. Like, that's crazy. So this nail actually does fold, which is okay because they have different things to make the nail thicker. But to avoid all of that, you may want to invest in this Tipex set. So look at her. She's not budging. Look how thick she is. She's so thick, you can see what's up under it like a magnifying glass. So this is just me just trying to basically bend the nail. And as you can see, she's not moving anywhere. She's literally standing on business. So the quality of this nail, I have to say 10 out of 10. And here is the magnifying part that I was showing you about. But yeah, let's hop into it. So we have our control system here, which you can go higher or lower. You can also go forward and reverse. So that's pretty cool. This is my first actual real drill, guys. And I'm excited. The other drill that I've been using is a Melody Susie drill. So that's my daughter's little nail drill. And it's not an e-file either. It's like an electric drill. So yeah. And this is just how you unlock and lock. I'm going to change out that drill and put on my sanding band. And let's test her out and see if we can get these cuticles under control. Clearly just testing some things out with the speeds, making sure we are actually working, and watch her go. So I'm trying to figure out my way around this YouTube thing, being more consistent and uploading more. So you guys are definitely going to be seeing more of me and my Gelx process. I also do different things as of makeup. and a lot of Cricut projects. So if you're into any kind of, hands-on projects and things like that and want to learn makeup tips, this is the channel for you. And I'm just really curious to know, do you guys like talk throughs, or do you just want to hear, music, like soft music in the backgrounds and no talking? I just want to make sure I'm uploading good quality content for you guys to, actually watch the video and ask me questions and chime in. Don't be afraid to talk to me, girlfriend. But yeah, so we're basically going to wrap up the drill part and we're going to get into the nail prep. I think this process is pretty self-explanatory. So yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna go in for, instead of the top coat, I'm gonna go in with the nail glue for a top coat. I saw a girl who did this on TikTok and I was like, I'm gonna try this process instead, and I'm gonna see if my nails last a little bit longer. And I can say they did last longer, but to get them off, you definitely gotta have a soak bowl. So if you do not have a soak bowl, don't do it. Don't do it. Just use the regular top coat, okay? So I'm gonna let this run in real time to show you guys how tedious of a process that this is. Just kind of want you to get a glimpse of my life and my patience. Yeah. But I did invest in this new lavender lamp. Oh my God, I got it for 20% off. These are normally like $80 or $60 or something like that. I got it for $55. And it's really good. I have not had any problems with my nails drying. I have not had any problems with having bubbles or anything like that. And it charges really fast. And I can also use it cordless as well. So yeah, I cannot wait to add in my little cordless nail drill so I can really be on that. But yeah. All dry. So now I'm gonna basically like do sizing. And I believe this is a size 1 that I went in on the thumb, and I did check sidewall to sidewall. Now this glue was really easy to work with. It does disperse a lot when you press it down, so don't go heavy on the glue. I would just do like 2 little lines on the glue and make sure you go from cuticle to the actual end of the nail. And I didn't have any air bubbles or anything. Now my nail is damaged, so yeah, but I did not have any air bubbles like I normally have, so I'm feeling a little bit more confident about this set. Yeah, so we have all our sizing ready, and I'm just gonna go in and do the same thing that I did before. I'm gonna apply that glue, and I'm gonna start at the cuticle, and I'm gonna push her all the way down till we seep all the glue on the full nail bed. One thing I can say about this glue, it did leave like a weird type of smell. Um, it's not like a monomer or anything, but it's so weird. So I'm gonna go in and do a cure on my nails and the nail lamp for 60 seconds. and we have them all on, all cured. Look at this apex. So excited. So yeah, I'm gonna go in and sculpt the nail. I'm gonna go in and file my nail. I wanted to leave my length on them because I like long nails. I like all kind of nails, but I kind of just wanted to leave them long. And then I'm gonna go in and clean up my extra spillage that I have all around my cuticles with the sanding band. I did not get to use the other nail drill bits because it got kind of late for this video. I was at work, and then when I got off work, I tried to finish recording, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna do what I gotta do. So I'll try to sand the other nail drill bits in the next video. So yeah, I'm just going in and cleaning up my cuticles and making sure I get all of the excess glue off of my cuticles so that we can have a nice clean nail set. And you'll still do the regular steps that you would do with any other nail set or a Gelx set. You're still gonna buff those nails, and you still want to go in and file those sides of the nails and get all of the excess glue or mess out. So yeah, this step is totally optional. I do like to go in and file because there are some things that I do miss. Like I said, I'm a beginner, so I may be a little sloppy with the application, and I just want to go in and clean up the excess mess. Now I'm going to go in, I'm going to add my Beetles polish. I went in with the pretty blue shade. I believe it's the C017. And yeah, I just wanted a pretty light blue for spring. Now, one thing that I normally always do is miss this step, but I told myself, if you don't clean them cuticles up this time, girl, and get your life. So I remembered this time, y'all. Now I'm gonna go in and dry in my lamp, and I'm gonna add my second coat because you know you gotta have 2 coats. So yeah, I've been trying to do better with my polishing because it used to be a mess, child. But I've grown within these couple of weeks. And I got nice clean polishes. So now I'm going to go in and add my I'm going to go in and add my glitter polish. Also from the same Beetles collection. I just wanted something really soft and dainty. I didn't want to do too much on these nails. So we're all dry. Now let's add on the cute little charms. These nails were so tight on my hands. I just couldn't believe they really felt like acrylic. So I'm going to go in and add my clear coat. And then we're going to go and place our butterfly on that nail. At the end of the video, I did go in and secure this butterfly with some rhinestone glue. I did not record that part. But here I'm just basically trying to place, the right placement on my nails to play around and figure out which little spot looks cuter. And all of these little pearls and rhinestones I got from Temu. And here I didn't want to take too much time like doing nail art. I was actually so tired, y'all. I work full-time job and I have 2 kids at home, so I was just tapped out, but I wanted to get something out that was, quick and pretty, and I think I achieved that. I do. So I really recommend, or highly recommend, to get this nail set. It's totally affordable. I believe it's like 30 bucks on Amazon. The nail drill that I purchased was, I think, 40 bucks on Amazon. So I roughly spent about maybe 70-ish for the whole kit. But yeah, I say go for it. And hopefully these can stay on for about 4 weeks. I would like for them to stay on for about 4 weeks, but I doubt if I keep them on for that long. I just did my cousin the nail set, so we'll see how long these perform on her. But yeah, thanks for chilling with me, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, and take care.